In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix black screen on the Brave browser app. If you've been opening Brave browser only to be greeted by a black screen, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue and is often related to how the browser interacts with your computer's graphics hardware. Fortunately, there's a simple setting that can help resolve the problem in many cases. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can get Brave working normally again. To begin, launch the Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser's open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to reveal the browser's menu options. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's Settings page where you can manage a wide range of browser preferences and performance-related options. The Settings area gives you access to features that control how the browser behaves and how it uses your computer's resources. After entering the Settings page, look at the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several categories listed there. From this menu, click on System. This section contains settings that determine how Brave works with your device's hardware, including options related to graphics processing and overall browser performance. Once you're inside the System section, look for a setting labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature allows Brave to use your computer's graphics processor to improve visual performance and help render content more efficiently. While this feature can be beneficial, it can sometimes create compatibility issues with certain graphics drivers or hardware configurations, which may result in display problems such as a black screen. Next to this setting, you'll see a toggle switch. Turn the toggle off to disable graphics acceleration. By doing this, Brave will rely on your computer's processor instead of the graphics card for rendering browser content, which often helps eliminate black screen issues and other visual glitches. As soon as you disable the setting, a relaunch button will appear. Click this button to restart Brave browser. The browser will close and automatically reopen with the updated configuration. This restart is important because the change won't take effect until Brave has been relaunched. Once the browser opens again, check to see if the black screen issue has been resolved. In many cases, disabling graphics acceleration is enough to restore normal browser functionality. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the setting that commonly causes black screen issues in Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.